several years now, Governor Jerry Brown and the legislature have claimed to have balanced the once chronically imbalanced state budget, mostly because they have more money to spend, both an improving economy and a temporary tax increase approved by voters in 2012. But those claims of balancing the budget were always a little sketchy because they ignored several big debts that the state was on the hook to pay at some point and hadn't paid. One was for the teachers' retirement system. They had about $74 billion unfunded liability. Well, this year the governor and legislature took care of that, basically by making the school districts cough up a lot more money for teacher pensions. But that still remained one other big debt, about the same size, $70 billion or so. And that was for retiree health care, state employee retiree health care that's unfunded. That stretches off into the future, the calculations of how much it will cost to pay for that health care without having any money to pay for it. Well, the state controller, John Chung, put out a new report on Tuesday saying that that total had risen to $72 billion. And simultaneously, the governor's office said that he plans to address it in the next year's budget. And that's good news. That's what it should be done. But it's not going to be easy. This is one that will actually cost the state some money, unlike the teacher bailout. And that means several $billion potentially will have to be put aside for state employee retiree health care. And that's money that will not be available to be spent on other things, and therefore would frustrate the people who want to spend money on other things. So we'll see if the governor follows through on this and whether he truly balances the budget for the first time in many, many years.